All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about AMP token. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, do a little deep dive on AMP token. What's going on with AMP? Is this coin going to be pumping or is it not going to be pumping? We're going to find out what's going on with AMP. Then we're going to just jump over to the U.S. gas prices. Are they getting any better or are they getting any worse? We're going to talk about that for a minute. And to close everything out, I'm going to bring that one of these little crypto projects, BUSD Crop Farmers. This thing is jumping off the charts. We're going to cover that for a minute or two. Again, cryptocurrency project. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Okay, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, AMP token over here, CoinMarketCap is at number 86. Take a look at it. It's not bad. It's only down 1.21% in the last 7 days, and it's actually up higher just today alone. Being traded at 2 cents, 0.2278. Clicking it. All right, take a look. Today it's up 1.71%. A little bit of upness. Not a lot of movement up or down in the last 7 days. I mean, it's up a little bit. Look at the last 7 days here. I mean, it's about the same, being traded at about 2 cents. So let's go ahead and go over to their Twitter account right here. It says AMP is a digital collateral token that provides instant variable assurance for any real-world application. Here's a couple good things. All right, April 15th, Grayscale. Since joining our product family in January, AMP is weight and Grayscale defund fund has grown. So remember, everybody, Grayscale brought AMP token as an actual investment product as you can put in there. The components and weights reference of the CoinDesk DeFi index are subject to change. So there was a webinar the other day, but this Grayscale, this is big, an investment product. You can actually invest in cryptocurrency with Grayscale, and AMP token be one of the investment products that you can use. So I thought that was real big. Also, the new listing about a few weeks ago, AMP token got listed at Huobi Global. That's some big news. Remember how we talk about when an actual coin gets listed on a new platform, everybody on that platform is going to know about this AMP token. So, new listing on Huobi Global. Fantastic. And right here, don't forget, AMP has joined Frack as a service. If you have any questions about a recent partnership with AMP token, look no further than our latest Medium post. Here we cover what is AMP, what is Frack as a service, and what are the fees and everything. Another good thing, I don't know if you know this, but AMP has joined Frack as a service, and they established a brand new 20 million Frack AMP liquidity pool by Uniswap. $10 million was put in by AMP, $10 million was put in by Ondu Finance. They got the liquidity pool, go AMP token, go. So a lot of good stuff behind the scenes going on with AMP. Over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like GUSD with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. There's a couple things you can do, everybody. You can stake the AMP. You can send the AMP, and you can repeat. What does it say for staking? AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfer. By staking the AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchanges, loan distributions, property sales, and more. Once you stake it, you can send the AMP. Once the AMP is ready to collateralize a transfer with the use of collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network in any real-world application. Once you do those two things, you know what you do. Repeat. AMP is a simplified network reward distribution. Once a transfer is complete, the AMP smart contract offers a variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro-distribution and continuous compounding. All right, everybody, AMP token, a lot of good stuff going on. I remember months and months ago, I was talking about this coin when it was at 4 cents, 5 cents. I actually even, when it went all the way up to 7 cents, I got the FOMO, and I actually bought a little bit when it peaked up to 7 cents, again, about 3-4 months ago. Coin's only at 2 cents right now. Is this a good time to get yourself positioned? Do y'all believe AMP's going to go back up to 4 or 5 cents? If it went back to 4 cents, it would double. Do you believe it? Go look at the charts of where it was at the last 3-4 months ago and where it's at now. Could be a good time to get positioned. Again, do all your own homework. All my information is just for educational purposes only. What you do with your money is totally up to you. I'm just documenting my DeFi journey in cryptocurrency. All right, let's talk about the gas prices in the U.S. All right, over here, gas prices, the USA, the AAA, across the country, the average gas price is $4.20. I kind of like this map. Look at this. If I hover over California, holy cow, California is $5.68. Florida is $4.11. Up here in Minnesota is $3.88. You can kind of hover over and see everything. It has all the average gas prices right here. Hawaii is over $5. California is over $5. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? No, the only two places are now up here at the top. It's got your regular gas, it's got your mid-grade, and your premium. Also, it's got your diesel. Diesel in California is $6.35. No, diesel in Hawaii is not bad. $5.77. $5.70. All right, so just checking this out for the gas prices. Are you guys happy about the gas prices? Not happy? I know I'm not happy. I want to bring some strategies to you. So this is a simple one. If gas is killing you and it's bringing you down and you're not happy about the gas prices, here's something you can do. Basically, you need to do riding with your coworkers to work. So I'm going to do two strategies. Ride with one of your friends. You go to work 4 weeks of the month. 2 of the weeks your friend drives. 2 of the weeks you drive. You're cutting down on 50% of the gas. That's fantastic. Saving some money there. Another strategy, get 3 of your friends that work with you. All of you drive 1 week. You drive the first week. Sally drives the second week. Bob drives the third week. Benny drives the fourth week. What it breaks down to is you only drive 25% of the month. You're saving 75% in gas. Now, you're saving money in gas, but maybe it's a little longer because you have to pick your friends up and pick your friends up. But gas is so expensive. You work with these folks anyways, so it's not a big deal. That's a good strategy. Also, grocery shopping. You may need to grocery shop once every 2 weeks. Double down on your groceries. Save that trip to the grocery store. I know some people go 2 times a week. You may need to go once every 2 weeks. There's that strategy. Also, you may want to order from these different apps and have your groceries sent to you so you can save on the gas. I know it's crazy thinking about all these things you have to do to save on the gas, but gas is killing us. All right, let's go over to BUSD crop farmers. This could be something you can do to help offset the gas prices cryptocurrency projects. So let's head on over. All right, over here, USD crop farmers. Just wanted to cover a couple things. Take a look at this, everybody. There's over 785,000 already locked in the BUSD. This has only been out for about 3 or 4 days. Couple things about it. It pays 8% daily, 29.20 AP. It's got an 8% referral bonus, 2.5% daily hiring bonus, 12 hours you can compound timer, 4 hours withdrawal cooldown period, 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff, and a 5 times mandatory compound. Just going to cover this for a second. I'm not going to go too much into this. I got a video I'll link at the bottom. Oh, actually, I'll link at the link when I click over here so you can actually review this. I just got my cold storage, my little cold storage thing here, my ledger. I believe everybody should get one of these. And the funny thing about it is I have to figure it out one thing before I can actually compound because I'm kind of confused. But take a look at this. I got $250 deposited into this program. I already compounded a couple times, got $392 in total deposits. I can hire my farmers, but if I click this, I'm not connected, so I'm going to do that a little bit later. I can harvest my crops. There's a 60% penalty from harvesting too early. Over here, your USDT, you have to approve what you're going to actually buy. If you're going to do $1,000 or $100, whatever you're going to do. So check that out. They got frequently asked questions. The one thing I'm going to say is this project is going to be more sustainable because of the penalties of the 60%. My big deep dive, I'm going to link over here at the end so you can check it out. Just wanted to bring you the BUSD crop farmers. Check everything out, everybody. All right, we're going to head back over to AMP for a second. So gas prices have got everybody down. The BUSD crop farmers, I think I'm making $70 a day already. In fact, we'll take a look at that before I leave. But the thing is you only claim 1 time a week. So even though you're making 70 a day, you claim on Sunday. So if I put $250 in, it'll take about 4 weeks to break even. Every time I compound, my $70 goes up a little bit. All my information is for educational purposes only. Make sure you do your own homework. If you make all kinds of money with crypto or you lose all kinds of money with crypto, that's on you. My stuff's just educational purposes only. Don't do what I do. If you do what I do, it's because you did all your own research and you decided to do it. So, all right, let's head back over to AMP token for a price prediction and see what's going on with AMP. All right, back over at the website here for AMP token. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features, purpose built in for collateral. Nothing more and nothing less. Collateral as a service, non-inflationary. You got the white paper you can check out. I think everybody, if you're investing in the AMP, you should. I listened to a YouTuber the other day and the guy said, do you have 10 hours of research into your project? Do you have 100 hours of research into your project? Hey, boys and girls, you need to actually do some research into the projects. If you're investing your hard-earned money, make sure you research it. Here's some partners from staking payments on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP today. Here's some of the people they're working with. Gemini, Flexa, Coinbase. Hey, do you know on Coinbase, if you set up an account, there's actually a tutorial of how to use the AMP. I think you can earn $3 by watching their little videos. It's pretty cool. Crypto.com, CoinGecko, Chainlink, just to name a few. All right, what's our price prediction here? This coin is at 0.02276. I think the coin's going to go to 0.2576. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. AMP's got a lot of things going on right now, a lot of good things. Once we basically get to the summer here, last summer, I think it was in June, they hit the peak of 11.5 or 12 cents. Maybe we'll be around there this June. Let's see what happens. And last thing over here, looking at the AMP one last time. Again, right here at number 86. So make sure you do your own homework. AMP token is one of my favorite tokens at number 86 right there. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Click over here to see our most recent video. And then click over here so you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. We're going to link that. That one's going to be a whole entire deep dive into it. It only talks about BUSD crop farmers. They're actually going to be a launch-in on the AVEX network too. I'm going to get into that one. That's actually going to be tomorrow on Friday. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.